my lovies. I'm coming to you real quick with a unpackaging or first impression video. This video is from our friends over, brought to you by our friends over at Tomoson and a company called Growth Strong. Y'all know the deal. If you see me looking down, it's because I have my handy dandy notes, so I won't leave anything out that I need to let you lovies know about this item. So my item came packaged in this Amazon packaging, and they are thank you cards, and they look like this. And gotta snap a picture. So yeah, but they look like this. I got these because thank you cards always come in handy. Like, you can always use them for something. The main reason why I got them was for my Poshmark store, because you lovers know that I do sell on Poshmark, and I thought that this would be something very, very neat and cute to add into my packages when I send them off. So yeah, so these cards retail for $12.87, but you get 36 cards in a pack. For those of you who do have Amazon Prime, you will get 20% off of these cards. For those of you who don't have Amazon Prime, they do have a 10% off coupon code that you can use. And like I said, 36 unique thank you cards come in this pack. You can use these for baby showers. You can use them for birthdays, weddings, graduations, corporate parties, stuff like that, or corporate events, stuff like that. So the cards have different designs on them. They don't have it's not just, you don't just get one pattern. So you get a number of different patterns here, and this is one. I am going to insert a picture of them. And I did actually use some of these, so I have opened them already and have been using them. Here's another pattern here, and here's another right here. So they are 4x6 cards, and they're just very, very pretty. And I love the gold, how they did the gold foiled. So very, very nice. And another thing that really set these cards off, because you don't have to worry about licking the envelope. It has a self-glued, it is a self-glued envelope, and it looks like this, of course. And all you do is just pull off this strip here and just go ahead and seal your envelope, and your card is ready to go. So yeah, I want to give a big thank you to Growth Strong for sending me these cards. Also a big thank you to Tomoson for choosing me to review these items. Do check this item out. I will leave all the links down below in the description box, so you lovers can go and check out this wonderful, wonderful item. Hope you lovers enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you babes in the next video.
Kiss. Even though